What is up, guys? My name is Logan Reynolds, back with another Madden video. And today, the mover packs and bundles have been out. So we have two bundles here. Excuse me, two bundles here today. Hopefully we can probably. Sorry about that. I'll give you guys a quick look at the sets. See, we have, after you complete that, you get a gold NFL remover. Then you do that, and then you go to the elites. And then, I've seen a lot of videos, people, just have a lot of these, and it's really cool. And apparently, they get like 99 overall, so I'm looking to get some of that. Alright, well, enough talking, let's get into this pack opening. First pack. Oh, let's go. Brandon Mebane. Wow, what a pull. He's on the Chargers now. He's pretty good on the Seattle. Okay, Mark Sanchez. And, David Bruton Jr. I think that's how you say his name. In the comments, correct me. Oh, Eli Manning. Okay. And then an 84 overall. Oh, wow. Wow. You can get collectibles in these? Okay. I seriously did not know that. Wow, that was like... Okay. Landris Green. Ooh. 83 overall. On the back. Not too shabby, not too shabby. Reveal. Oh, and we get an 83 overall safety. I will actually take this. I'll take these things. Oh, let's go. Jordan Cameron. Let's go, Paul. I don't know how to say his last name. I'm not even going to try. My doggy's here with me today in this video. 84 overall center. Nothing else in that pack. I think the reveal all tactic was pretty good, so let's do that. Oh, let's go! Zach Strief, 94 overall offensive tackle. Let's go. That's really working out for us. But, oh, nothing here. Just an 84 overall. The end. Nothing good. Just gonna go one by one now. Oh, okay, the 84 overall. The end. We got them again. We can put them, or we can put him into the sets. And, oh, let's go. 92 overall offensive tackle, Jake Matthews. What a pull, man. I can almost go. I need one more of the campus elite to finish the campus. Oh, Jill. Oh my gosh. What is this? Oh my gosh. Julio Jones. 87 overall. Let's do this tactic. And, oh, okay. Not too shabby. Like, I would take that. That's not something I would always want. But I would take it. One by one. Ooh, okay. Demario Davis. I'm not sure how to say his name. Please correct me in the comments. And then I'm gonna do it one by one, starting with the back. Back and front. Oh, there's an update team. Oh, it's just the 84 overall. Offensive guard. And now the two toppers. Alright. Let's see, and we get we get an elite mover player. I just hope for a 96 or 95 plus. Ooh, 94 overall safety that was on the lines going to the Miami Dolphins. And we get 94 overall Tyvon Branch. Wow, okay. 94 overall safety. I'm gonna go to the sets real quick. Sorry about that. That's just my mom's phone. I'm just calling here, but I'm just gonna ignore that. Okay, so there's that set. Got 3 in here. That was pretty great. I'm gonna just show you guys. Hopefully I can get a 96 plus. I don't think I can. Let's get 96 plus, and we get Tyvon Branch. Again, really, Madden? Really? You give me 2 of the same players. 2. Alright guys, well that's it for this video. Make sure to hit that like button and make sure to subscribe on my account. I'm going to make another video about a couple of weeks. I'm going on vacation, so I might make a video on there. And well, peace.